Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be talking about eyes and how you can make your eyes look bigger. In case you want to know the technique, keep on watching. I'm going to start with my NYX eye primer. You can use any primer. This makeup is not going to be extremely hard to recreate. The point here is to make sure that the lower lid is going to be working in our favor, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. So for the upper lid, it's not really important what makeup look you're going to be creating. I'm going to set my lid with Color Pop. Tap it off. You need to cover your under eye area, please do. With a short brush, this one is crease brush, or you can use a little bit different type of brushes, the one that is going to be really handy to use for you guys. This is the color Alex, and it is dark purple color, almost navy blue, but it has a little bit of purple to it. I will, again, cover my under eye area and go in the outer corner with circular motions. And I want to add the same color, maybe with a little bit different brush, in the inner corner with any leftovers from my brush. I'm going to diffuse. I will mix different shimmers. This one is color Martini, and this is Natalie. I want to combine both of these shades in the center. Now let's do one of the most important things for this makeup look. We're going to the under eye area, and I will start with the same color that we used to set my lid. It's going to be super, super soft purple color. You can use beige shades. It works with any colors. At first, you have to do something soft, and then we're going to be working with a little bit darker shade. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. I will go underneath my eye. Pointy brush. This is concealer type brush, and now we're going to the same color that I used in the outer corner and in this area as well. I will pick this on. We're going to create an illusion of big eye. First, we used a lot of the soft shade, and then I will start with the lower part of my eye. This color is going underneath my eye. It's probably where your lashes stop. It's just kind of the point where your lashes go. And then in the outer corner, I'm gonna go with the same color, and then I don't really want to follow my natural shape. I will prolong this line in the outer corner. We're kind of creating a flat line. I have a small pointy brush, and I'm going to the same color Pop to blend out the color. Now I have my white eye pencil, and I will place it over waterline, and let's just get the color a little bit in the outer corner, like a continuation of my eye. Finally, as for now, I will add a little bit more of the same purple, soft purple, in the inner corner. This way we're going to brighten up this area. I will do my black liner. This is crucial for this makeup look because I will get a thin line. You can use a pen eyeliner, or you can go with this type of tube eyeliners, and I will do a really thin line. This way we're just going to continue the natural shape of my eye, but I'm not going to create a thick line. This way we're going to make it even heavier than it is. So I'm just following my natural shape. And now pay attention, you can tell there's the outer corner. I want to create this line above the outer corner. This way we have more space in the outer corner. And now with the same eyeliner that I used, I want to emphasize the line we created with my eyeshadows. Let's create some false lashes. I'm gonna follow my inner corner, and I'm gonna coat my lashes. Let's do this with Essence mascara. I want to do mascara. This is waterproof mascara for my bottom lashes, but I think that I don't really want to bring this in the outer corner with any leftovers from my brush. Let's just do this a little bit lower, like that, guys. Even a little lower than it is. You can tell that it's so much lower than the actual eye. And in between of these two lines, the one that we created a little bit higher, like to prolong the outer corner, and the one that we created super low, I will actually add a little bit of shimmers right in between. This way, we're going to make sure that it's going to brighten up the colors with the same tiny brush. I think this brush is perfect for detailing. I'm going to let it dry completely. I mean, my mascara. Color Canvas. I will add a little bit more. Let's add a little bit of Dior eyeliner in the inner corner as well. It's going to be around my black line. So this way we're kind of like even getting more color and this illusion of bigger inner corner moment. And you know what? I think that I need a little bit more color in this area. Well, guys, this is the final makeup look. I would say this eyes, they do look bigger than in real life, but I can't say it is extreme transformation. Honestly, my eyes, they don't really look small in everyday makeups or everyday. They don't really look small. That is the main reason why it's not so drastic. The transformation is not extreme. But at the same time, I would say that if we're talking about Asian eyes and this makeup came from Asian makeup looks, the transformation is crazy. It does look like a real kind of like European type eye makeup look, or just eye. In case you want to give it a try, let me know in the comments and share your thoughts if you've done this and it actually transformed your eyes. I do not really like any falsies. It's not my style to put them every single time. Sometimes on a certain occasion I can put them on. It's not today. I love you all so much and I'm going to see you in my next video, guys. Bye-bye. By the way, if you're interested in how I got this lip, and my lips, they're so much smaller than this, just check out my previous video where I shared this really cool tip and trick how you can make your lips look so much bigger. Love you all so much and I'm going to see you in the next